heard that AI can make you money, but every how-to guide out there is vague or feels like a scam. What nobody's telling you is that AI tools are powerful, but they're not magic. You can't just push a button and watch cash fall into your lap. What you can do is use them to save time, boost productivity, and deliver services that businesses and individuals are willing to pay for. In this video, I'm diving into some of the best AI tools like MidJourney, Leonardo AI, ChatGPT, Pictory, and a few others. But this isn't a laundry list of apps. I'll show you exactly how to turn these tools into income streams and how to get started without wasting time. I've linked all of the tools and useful resources in the description below, so be sure to check those out to save some time and for any exclusive discounts. Tool 1, let's start with Leonardo AI. This tool generates high-quality images, and it's free to start. You can type in something like a realistic image of a bird flying in the sky with a sunset in the backdrop, and Leonardo AI will generate images that you can choose from and download. Here's how you make money with it. Stock image platforms and printable art. Stock images are a consistent source of passive income. Platforms like Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, and iStock pay creators every time someone downloads their work. Start by heading to these websites and analyzing what sells. You'll notice themes. Things like nature shots, abstract patterns, and minimalist backgrounds are always in demand. Once you've got some ideas, use Leonardo AI to create similar designs by typing in a prompt. Don't just stop at 1 or 2 images. Upload collections. For example, a set of 10 nature photos could fetch more downloads than a single file. If you're looking for an alternative to Leonardo AI, check out MidJourney. Leonardo AI is free to start with, but you can buy a plan to get more features. MidJourney needs you to buy a plan for you to use it, but it's one of the best tools out there right now. Go for whatever feels best for you and your budget. Tool 2. While Leonardo AI creates mind-blowing images from prompts, ChatGPT generates incredible text from prompts. I've actually combined both of these tools to make money, which I'll explain in just a moment. You've probably heard that ChatGPT can write anything, but let me show you how to turn that into cash. First, sign up for freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even LinkedIn. Create a profile advertising writing services, blog posts, email campaigns, Instagram captions, whatever businesses need. If you want to take it a step further, don't just write content, optimize it. Small businesses care about SEO, search engine optimization, because it drives traffic to their websites. With ChatGPT Plus, you can access plugins that make sure you're writing in a specialized, SEO-optimized way. These plugins generate blog posts tailored to rank on Google. Offer this as a premium service. SEO-optimized articles that drive traffic, and you can charge double or triple what regular writers do. If you're not interested in freelance writing, start your own blog instead. Use ChatGPT to pump out content on a niche topic, like fitness, tech, or personal finance. Monetize it through affiliate marketing or ads once you've built up traffic. This is slower than freelancing, but has long-term potential. I've done this before and used Leonardo AI to create unique images to include in my posts, which boosts the number of readers you have and how well your posts perform. And here's another use case. Newsletters. Businesses love email marketing, but hate writing emails. Offer to create an entire email campaign for them. Use ChatGPT to draft catchy subject lines, persuasive copy, and clear calls to action. Charge per email or for the whole campaign. Don't overthink it. Start with small local businesses that don't have a strong online presence. They're more likely to hire someone new if you pitch yourself well. Tool 3. We've covered AI images and text, so of course now we have to talk about AI videos. There really is an AI tool for everything. Pictory is the secret weapon for faceless YouTube channels. This AI tool takes a written script and turns it into a video, complete with stock footage, subtitles, and even AI voiceovers. If you've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel but hate the idea of being on camera, this tool is for you. Pick a niche with high ad rates. Tech reviews, finance tips, or health advice are great choices. Write a script using ChatGPT, upload it to Pictory, and let it create a video. The goal here is to churn out consistent, valuable content. Don't aim for viral hits right away. Focus on building a library of videos. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can monetize with ads. On top of that, add affiliate links in your video descriptions. For example, if you're reviewing gadgets, include Amazon links. You get a commission every time someone buys through your link. Tool 4. Speaking of YouTube, let's talk about Pixels AI. This is the only AI tool I'd ever use for YouTube thumbnails because it's super specialized. I've linked this in the description for you, so be sure to check that out for the best offers right now. A good thumbnail can literally double your video views. Pixels AI makes it easy for you to create viral thumbnails by just typing in a prompt. You can also clone other viral thumbnails while keeping yours unique and original. Here's how you make money with Pixels. Offer thumbnail design as a service. Head to YouTube, find small creators, and check their about sections for contact info. Shoot them a quick email like this. Charge a lower rate at first, and then charge $15 to $30 per thumbnail. If you land just 5 clients, each ordering 4 thumbnails a month, that's $300 to $600 for a few hours of work. You can also list your services on Fiverr or Upwork. If you do this, make sure to include before and after examples in your portfolio. Show how your designs improved click-through rates. That'll make your pitch irresistible. Tool 5, another AI tool that kills it with freelance clients on Upwork and Fiverr, is Descript. This is one of the best AI tools out there for audio and video editing. Podcasting is a booming area right now, but most podcasters don't have the skills or patience for high-quality editing. With Descript, you just upload an audio file and it will transcribe all the speech. Then you can edit the audio just by editing the text. If a client wants to remove filler words like and you don't need to comb through the audio manually. Descript highlights them for you, and you delete them as you would in a Word doc. Offer podcast editing services and charge per episode. Start at $50 and increase as you gain experience. Tool 6. While video and audio editing are solid ways to make money with clients, marketing is the most profitable service you can offer because businesses are willing to pay big bucks to get more customers. Writesonic is another AI writing tool that's especially great for marketing copy. Think Facebook ads, product descriptions, and email campaigns. If you're a decent writer, Writesonic can help you work faster and scale your services. Here's a strategy that works well. Target e-commerce brands. These businesses live and die by their product pages, and many of them are under-optimized. Use Writesonic to create strong and persuasive descriptions that highlight features, benefits, and unique selling points. Reach out to these businesses with examples of what you can do for them. Another angle is social media management. Small businesses often need help posting regularly on platforms like Instagram or Twitter. Offer to create a month's worth of posts, complete with captions and hashtags. Use Writesonic to generate the captions quickly, then pair them with royalty-free images or Canva designs. Charge a flat fee. $500 for $30 posts is a reasonable starting point. The key to all of this is consistency. None of these tools will make you rich overnight, but if you put in the effort, they can become reliable income streams. Start with one tool and one strategy. Get good at it, scale it, and then add another. Don't spread yourself too thin by trying to do everything at once. Which of these tools have you used before or are you thinking of using? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful or interesting, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.